Hello, Jesu. Today I'll take you through Introduction to Programming in Microsoft Word. Now, what you will learn in this video, number one, what Microsoft Word is, and what the menu ribbon in Microsoft Word is, what the developer tab in Microsoft Word is, and I also show you how you can show the developer tab in the ribbon because it is not usually shown by default. What VBE is, okay, how to open the Microsoft Word VBE, and what VBA is, and also how to run a simple VBA code. Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a proprietary application developed and managed by Microsoft Corporations. It is a word processing software package that is a software used to type, format, proofread, and print text documents. It can also be programmed. Okay, so here you can see the Microsoft Word API. Okay, the soft environment and how it looks like. Okay, so in here you can see the ribbon there. Okay, so quickly let's move in and talk about the ribbon. The ribbon menu in Microsoft Word 2010. So Microsoft Word 2010 uses the ribbon menu. Okay, and the ribbon menu bar is a special type of menu bar that has tabs, groups, and then buttons. Each tab has several groups, and each group has several command buttons. And here you can now see how the menu ribbon is. Okay, you can see the tabs. We have the home tab, the insert tab, the page layout tab, up until the developer tab. Okay, but by default the developer tab does not show up. So the developer tab in the ribbon. The developer tab is the tab in the ribbon menu that contains command buttons that are relevant to a programmer. Now, developer is another name for a chief programmer. Usually, this tab is hidden. Okay, that is to say that by default, when you open this software, you will not see developer tab until you activate it. You check the button that activates its appearance. So here is how the developer tab looks. Okay, you can see sections, the groups inside of it. We have the code section, we have the add-ins section, we have the controls section, we have the XML section, we have the protect section, then we have also the templates section. How to show the developer tab in the ribbon. Number one, click on File on the menu ribbon. Number two, click on Options on the screen that comes up. Click on Customize ribbon on the pop-up window. Under the Main Tabs section, check the Developer checkbox by clicking it. Click OK or press Enter. I do know that you will not be able to understand what I just said now, so I'm going to demonstrate this later in this video. Visual Basic Editor. Visual Basic Editor is the ad hoc software environment that usually comes with MS Office package and is used to write codes, in bracket, programs for MS Word documents. Now, Visual Basic Editor, for short, is called VBE. VBE, which means Visual Basic Editor. Okay, so it is used to write and proofread Visual Basic codes for MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint, Publisher, Access, and even sometimes for CorelDRAW. How to open the Visual Basic Editor. To open the Visual Basic Editor, simply click the Visual Basic button on the Developer tab of the menu ribbon. Okay, from that particular picture, you see the Visual Basic button by the far left, okay, of your screen. As soon as you click it, it's going to pop up the VBE window or API. Then a short way to do this is just for you to simply press Alt plus F11, okay, Alt plus F11, and it's also going to take you to the VBE API. What Visual Basic for application is. Visual Basic for applications is the programming language for Microsoft Office applications. It is an embedded version of Visual Basic for the object models of the different Office application environment / API. I recommend this language for learning how to program, as it is very handy, flexible, and complex. Okay, you don't need to buy any language editor to begin programming. Okay, when we say language editor, we're actually talking about the software that is used to write and proofread high-level languages. Okay, so the reason why I recommend this particular program is because it has a wide range of it's a very big language. You can use it to write codes for Microsoft Word, for Excel, for Corel Draw. And then if you look at this particular part of this video, you see something called object model. I know it will confuse you for now, but don't really think about it that much. It can disturb you. You may worry about it, but if you remember in the previous video, we talked about concepts of programming, and then we talked about object-oriented programming. Okay, you can go check that out. Then you'll be able to at least have a hands-on to know what it means when we say object model. Also, you can Google it and try to get more understanding about what we mean by object model, especially for Microsoft Word. So here is the VBE. Okay, this is how the window looks like. Okay, and then inside of it you can see codes. Okay, selection.type paragraph, selection.type backspace, selection.type backspace, selection.type paragraph. Okay, all those are VBA codes. Okay, all those are what? VBA codes. Okay, so now we are going to pop up our VBE window / API, and then write in this particular code sub Mr. Young space brackets open brackets close MSG box. Okay, would you love to learn VBA with Mr. Young in quotes, comma, VB yes no, comma, programming with Mr. Young in quotes also, and then end sub. We are going to actually write this into our VBE after popping it up and then run it. Okay, so for us to run, there's always a button up in the window that will press, but apart from that button, you can always press F5. You can always press F5 to run the program that you've already written. So now watch me demonstrate it. assignment. Now, what is the shortcut key for bringing up the Microsoft Word VBE? What are the full meanings of VBE and VBA? What is object model in computer studies? Okay, you can use Google and the previous video to help yourself. Thanks.